Hey guys, how you doing? It's day 19 of the Purple Cow Arts and Crafts Advent Calendar. Let's see what we've got today. Gosh, the calendar's getting so empty now. But here's day 19. Okay, let's see if we can guess the make from the contents of the box. Oh, okay. This is interesting. So we have got some white yarn and a cardboard heart. And that is it. I haven't got a clue. Let's look in the book. Okay guys, today we're making a wintry white heart yarn. Bauble. It doesn't say bauble, but it's a bauble. And the items that should have been in the box. Heart-shaped cardboard and some white yarn. Extra items you will need our buddy scissors, but looking over the instructions, I'm not quite sure you do actually need the scissors, so I'm going to remove them and say that this one doesn't need any extra items. Yay! Okay guys, so this is a really simple craft. May I suggest though that you watch all the way through first, because if you really like the concept behind it and you wanted to make more, because I think this could look really cute as a string of hearts, use this heart as a template first before you wrap it, because I think hearts are pretty hard to get right and this is a good looking heart. It could make a good template. So I'm just gonna unwrap the wool and we can get going. Now, it doesn't mention to do this as a step, so this is completely optional for you. But I'm going to put a little bob of glue in the middle of the heart, just to fasten one end of my wool in place, just so I can not worry about it so much. And now literally all you have to do is wrap the wool around the heart. Okay, so that is my heart wrapped. Here is how it looks on one side. Here is how it looks on the other side. They're usually pretty generous with the materials that they give you, but I think we probably could have done with some more, because there is a slight fault in the concept, which is this end of the heart and the tops. Didn't want to wrap, they didn't want to cover. It's quite pointy, so the wool just kept springing off. You could probably try and rearrange it a bit, kind of move things around a bit. There you go. But yeah, I did find those a bit hard to cover. Ooh. I don't know, can we? No, the tail end of the heart really doesn't want to cover. No. I think this is the best we're going to do. So now, with your end bit, you just want to tie it off to create the loop you're going to hang it from the tree from. Here it is. This is the one yarn charm. I suppose actually this is where the scissors could come in, because then you can trim that bit if you want to. There we go. That's the other side. So, shall we get rating? So, value for money. Well, you get one charm. You could, in theory, get a template to make more if you like how this turned out. It didn't take long to do though. Well, it didn't take me long to do. Maybe it would take you longer if you wanted to be a bit more precise about it. So for value for money, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Next up, completeness of kit. Now, quite frankly, in theory, I find the scissors are optional. So I'm going to say this was a complete kit. Yay! So that's a 5 out of 5. Good job. And finally, dexterity. Well, the concept behind it is like super easy. You're just wrapping a heart with yarn, not hard to do at all. The hardest thing was just tying off the knot. I think to get it looking nicer than I've managed to make it look probably would require a bit more dexterity, but it's pretty darn basic. I think anyone could do this to a degree, so I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5 of dexterity. Yeah, anyone can do it. Good job again. Shall we go hang it on the tree?
Well, thank you for making it to the end of the video with me. I'd love to know what your favourite part was, so if you could leave a comment in the comment section below. Do you think you'd like to make this wall heart? It was quite cute. I like the concept. It could be cute as a chain of hearts. If you could like, subscribe, turn on all notifications and share this video, that would be amazing. You can follow me at Enchanted Violin on Instagram, TikTok and Threads. Links will be in the description box below, as well as links to my online comic companions and my Patreon. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 20. Oh, goodness, we're reaching the end game. I'll see you then. Bye!